in this class we will learn how exactly to find if a given input from the user is odd or even. So for that we will start off by including the libraries. So I will say include IO stream, and if in case we want to perform some math operations, we will have to include math.H also, and then using namespace std. So we start with the parent function int main, and we can declare a variable. So int, I'm going to say user input, int user input. So this is what we are going to get from the user. So I'll give a cout. Cout, please enter the number you wish to decide if it is odd or even. So that is from the user. Now we will have to have a conditional statement to make the judgment if the user input is odd or even. So for that, let me just finish up this receiving the input, and then I will place in the conditional if. So if this upon divided by 2, so actually we have to get the remainder. If the given input by the user, if it is odd, when you divide by 2, the remainder is going to be 1. And if it is even, the remainder is going to be 0. So we will have to perform a modular division here. So if the user input modular division by 2, if it is equal to 0, so that's the way you need to put, okay, comparison operator. Then you open a block and then you say cout, the number given by the user is an even number. Now if you want to declare it like this, you can declare it. If you want to specify the number, you can also specify it. Okay, so that's not an issue. That's simple to do. I'm just giving a statement, okay, that you declare it to be an even number. Else, if the condition fails, else you say that the number is odd. So in this case, the number given by the user is odd. So it's simple as that. It is an odd number. And you close the parenthesis, you return 0, and then you close the main tag. So this is how it looks. You want to place some blocks, you can place in some blocks. So this is the program we have completed, and this program upon running, upon getting executed, would require the user to give a number, and then based on that input we will decide if the number is even or odd. So having mentioned that, I'm going to save it and then I will build and run it. So clearly you can see, please enter the number you wish to decide if it is odd or even. Say I give 21. The given number by the user is an odd number. So that is the end result. Now what you can do is, probably you can add one more line of code. So cout, you can say the given number is equal to, and then you can say user underscore input, right? So this would be the the display so that the number is displayed. So I save it and then I will build and run it. Okay, so please enter the number, say 189. The number is equal to 189. The given number by the user is an odd number. That's perfectly fine. So let me give another number. Let me run it one more time. So this time I'm giving 244. So this is the output. The number is 244 and the given number is an even number. So that's perfect. So that is the end of this particular program, students. Thank you.